If you are still trimming long videos by hand and hoping your content magically catches fire on TikTok or Reels, you are honestly missing out on a massive opportunity. For real, there is a legitimate way to turn those hour-long talks, live streams, or tutorial piles into short, scroll-stopping clips consistently without burning your precious weekends. I have been testing a few different workflows, and today I want to show you exactly how to make TikTok-style UGC-feeling clips from your long-form content using Vizard. It is not about replacing creators, it is really about making your content work smarter, not harder. This kind of short video can be generated from a long video with almost zero manual chopping. That casual influencer-style vibe is exactly what converts viewers into followers. You can spin up multiple variations, test different hooks, and let the AI do the heavy lifting while you focus entirely on your message. Creators and small teams usually spend tons of time hiring editors just to find the right 30-second cuts. You could pay hundreds for a single UGC-style short, or you can use Vizard to pull viral moments automatically. Let us break down this walkthrough step by step, starting with how to research what is already working in your niche. Most people skip the research phase and then wonder why their shorts do not catch fire. The difference between a clip that gets 10 views and one that goes viral is often what happens in the first 3 to 5 seconds. Before you touch any editor, spend 20 minutes studying your niche and looking for successful hooks. Next, you need to prepare your long-form video so that the AI has high-quality material to mine. Vizard's auto-editing is brilliant at finding engagement, but it helps if you plan for punchy lines throughout your recording. I like to keep a brief prompt template for short clips using a conversational first-person tone. Now for the magic part. Uploading your long video into Vizard to let the auto-editing tool run. It analyzes viewer attention patterns, sound cues, and visual changes to pick the moments most likely to perform. It will output ready-to-post clips in a vertical format, complete with suggested captions and thumbnails. Don't just dump everything the AI outputs. Skim the clips to ensure they match your personal brand's tone. Add small imperfections and human touches to the clips so they feel like real user-generated content. Keep captions casual and use a POV caption at the start to grab attention immediately. If you need more creative elements, you can pair Vizard with other tools for voiceovers or custom visuals. One major advantage here is speed and scale, allowing you to batch process an entire library of long videos. Once Vizard learns your style, you can churn out dozens of shorts, which is infinitely better than editing one at a time. This is where Vizard moves from being a simple editor to a complete content machine. You can set a posting frequency, and the tool will automatically queue your content across all your platforms. This consistency is exactly what grows accounts, while most creators struggle to post on a regular basis. Ultimately, Vizard bundles the clip selection, lightweight editing, and publishing workflow into one interface. Remember to hook your audience in the first 3 seconds, as that is the critical window for retention. Do not reveal the product or your main point immediately. Start with a relatable problem or a mini story. Because 70 to 80% of viewers watch without sound, captions are absolutely non-negotiable. Keep the imperfections in your final clips because they make your UGC feel authentic and believable. When you factor in the time saved, the effective cost per clip drops significantly compared to hiring a pro. If you want ultra-polished cinematic shorts with heavy effects, a human editor is still the way to go. However, Vizard is built for velocity and authenticity, which is exactly what performs best on modern social feeds. For a real-world example, I uploaded a 50-minute tutorial and pulled 8 strong, high-engagement clips. One post hit 10 times my normal engagement because the hook and timing matched what I had tested. Alright, if you have been struggling to get traction, just follow this workflow: research, plan, upload, and schedule. Try Vizard with one long video today, compare the time you save, and I think you will be surprised by the results. Click the link below, try a 14-day run, and let me know about the crazy clips that finally hit.